Thanks very much, Becky, and welcome everyone to this session. It's about 90 minutes long, so what we thought we would do to sort of frame this topic, which is quite broad really, about how can we use AI in the laboratory. So I have three very talented panelists, and I will get them each to introduce themselves. But what we're going to do is they're each going to do a brief presentation, about 10 minutes each, of a particular aspect of AI in the lab, and we'll start with that. And in the remaining 60 minutes of the panel time, we will either work with submitted questions, some of you have submitted some, or prepared questions that we have in already, and we'll do that in a panel format. If you have questions throughout, please put them in the Q&A section of the app. We will also have some polls for you to participate in as well. So that's the basic format of the 90 minutes. So we'll start with a bit of presentation, then we'll go into the discussion piece, really to help frame our discussion a little bit better for such a broad topic as this. So without further ado, we're going to jump in. I'm going to let each person introduce themselves, and then we'll go into the presentation. So we'll start with you on the top left, that's Anka. If you wouldn't mind introducing yourself and a little bit about your background.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for the invitation. I'm glad to be here. My name is Anca Ciobanu. I work for the not-for-profit organization Pistoia Alliance as a lead of the Lab of the Future community. In my previous roles, I worked in pharma industry more than 10 years, in the corporate sector. Then I moved to medium, small enterprises where I run a project management department. And then I joined the consultancy just a few years ago. I'm really excited to be here and to share from what I know and the discussions that I had with different pharma companies around their labs and what they expect for their labs in the future.
Thank you, Anka. Simon?
Yeah, hello everyone. Also, great to be here. My name is Simon Stier. My background is actually material science and computer science. And I started my career with material science at a lab, so doing all day the experiments and collect data and bring them to some purpose and optimize materials and sensor applications. But I continue with dedicating myself to research data management and enable people to use digital tools, software, algorithms, AI in their research work to speed up the process and to improve the quality. And so my current mission is to focus on data management solutions, fair data and data space applications for the material science in general. And I hope to give some insights on the scientific perspective and the potential we have there. Thank you.
And Glenn.
Hello, I'm Glenn Everett. I've been with CSols for a few years now. I am a LIMS consultant. I have had my hands in all different aspects of it, from little R&D labs to some analytical and some manufacturing. I've also worked inside of government labs, working with the FDA, been under regulations, pharma, manufacturing, you name it. I've kind of dabbled my hands in all different aspects of LIMS. So I'm happy to be here. Looking forward to the future that AI can bring to everything, and excited about the panel here.
Great. Well, thanks to each of you. And I just wanted to particularly thank our colleagues who are from Spain and Germany, so who are late in the day. So I appreciate that your willingness to participate at the end of your day. So in terms of the presentation, what we're going to do is a little bit on sort of AI in life sciences, and Anka's going to do that. A little bit about AI in sort of the more material sciences or non-life sciences, and Simon's going to do that. Both of those sort of R&D centric kind of points of view. And then Glenn is going to talk about AI in the sort of more quality and QC manufacturing world. Hopefully at the end of those three quick presentations, then we can jump into a good discussion of, all things AI. So without further ado, I'm timing you, Anka, so you have 10 minutes to present. Please go.
That's fine. Thank you very much. I'm going to share my screen now and let me know if you can see it.
Yes, we can.
Is
Thank you.
this visible?
Yes.
Okay. Done. This is a short introduction about the Pistoia Alliance, the organization I work for. This is a not-for-profit organization focused on driving pre-competitive collaboration. This means that we are looking at different pharmaceutical companies, companies from life science, software providers. We bring all these companies together and we look at how we can innovate